Assalamu alaikum. Once again with Sayyid Kashif Mahmood. In this lecture, I am going to talk about the history of periodic table. The history of the periodic table is very lengthy, but I will deal with it in a very short and simple way. So let's start the history of the periodic table from the great scientist by the name of Dobereiner. Who was Dobereiner? Dobereiner was the great scientist from the Germany. Basically, he has done two great works. His first work was that he noticed the certain sets of three elements which were having the same chemical properties, and he called that group as the name of trades. Let's suppose take one example so that the concept get clear. He take one lithium, one sodium and one potassium. He called this group as trades. And he said that the elements which are there in the trade having the same chemical properties. And if we analyze, so we know that these elements are called alkali metal. What are alkali metal? So we will know about the alkali metal in next videos in detail. But for now, just only remember this in a simple way. Alkali metal are those when they are reacting with water, so they always give an alkaline solution or basic solution. Let's suppose sodium. We know that sodium is an alkali metal. So when this sodium reacts with water, so it forms sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So what is this? This is base. So as we said that when these alkali metal reacting with water, so they always give the alkaline or basic solution. So the first great work of the Dobereiner was that he said that these elements having the same chemical properties. The second great work of the Dobereiner was that he find the atomic weight of some elements. How he did so? He did so in this way. He said that the atomic weight of the middle element is the arithmetic mean of the atomic weight of the other elements. He done like this. He added the atomic weight of the lithium with the atomic weight of the potassium and divide those value by the number 2. So we know that lithium atomic mass is 7 and potassium atomic mass is 39, and let's divide it by the number 2. So we getting 46 divided by 2, and if we further calculate it, so it become 23. So this 23 is the atomic weight of the middle element. How he finds? So he add the atomic weight of these two elements, lithium and potassium, and divided those value by the number 2. So the sum of the atomic weight of these two elements is 46, and he divided 46 by 2, and the final answer is 23. So 23 is the atomic weight of the middle element. So it was his second great work. Now let's mention one drawback. What was that? The drawback was that you cannot find the atomic weight of the middle element in this way. Let's suppose there is 3 elements in same group. One is fluorine, one is chlorine, and the third one is bromine. So we cannot find the atomic weight of chlorine by adding the atomic weight of the fluorine and bromine and divide that by the number 2. If we do this, the answer will be wrong. So the drawback was that we cannot put all the elements in this way. So it was a short talk on Dobereiner. In next videos we will proceed this topic. So thanks for watching and for your love.